Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best D2S bulbs is probably one of the most crucial components of your car's headlight system, ensuring your safety and visibility on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the world of D2S bulbs, exploring their function, and why choosing the right one is essential for optimal performance. We'll cover everything from their technical specifications to the factors you should consider before making a purchase, so buckle up and let's illuminate the topic. Number 5. ICBEAMER D2S Xenon Headlight Bulbs, Pack of 2. These bulbs are designed to be a direct replacement for your existing HID system. They are compatible with D2S, D2R, and D2C bulb types, ensuring a perfect fit for your low-beam headlights. Installation is easy, with no modifications needed. With a powerful 35W output, this product delivers up to 3,200 lumens. This provides brighter and more consistent lighting, significantly improving your nighttime visibility and road safety. You'll notice the difference immediately. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the built-in igniter and 1:1 OEM bulb size. Simply remove your old bulbs and replace them with these in minutes. No extra tools or wiring are required, saving you time and hassle. These bulbs are built to last, with a lifespan of over 3,000 hours. They are also heat-resistant, shockproof, and moisture-sealed, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions, including rain, snow, and off-road environments. This product meets DOT and OEM safety standards, making it fully street legal. It's a high-performance upgrade that provides long-lasting quality and improved visibility without compromising legal compliance. You can drive with confidence knowing you're safe. What we like. This bulb offers a straightforward, hassle-free installation with its plug-and-play design. It delivers a powerful 3,200 lumens output, significantly improving your nighttime visibility. If you are looking for an easy upgrade that enhances both safety and performance without any modifications, you should consider this. What people say. When I came across these ICBEAMER 8000K D2S Xenon bulbs, I had a lot of doubts considering their relatively low price. But after reading several positive reviews, I decided to take a chance. And I must say, I'm thrilled that I did. These bulbs have exceeded my expectations. I installed these bulbs in aftermarket headlights during an upgrade from my G37 coupe. Transferring the original ballast to the new headlights was straightforward, and these bulbs integrated seamlessly. I'm impressed by their performance and functionality. Brightness, honestly, I am struggling here. Looks about the same as my factory bulbs that are 5 Burmese chots. But for my city life and driving, these bulbs serve the purpose and are bright enough. Number 4. RCP D2S D2 or 6000K Xenon HID Replacement Bulb. Compared to halogen lamps, this HID bulb offers 3 times the brightness. It consumes less power, only about 35 watts, making it more efficient than traditional bulbs. This bulb boasts a lifespan 5 times longer than halogen bulbs. Because it doesn't use a tungsten wire, it provides a more stable light output, lasting over 2,500 hours. The 6000K white light provides a comfortable driving experience. The quartz glass prevents cracking, and the design ensures optimal light distribution. The light emitted is designed to match factory car standards, preventing glare. The lamp holder uses high-temperature materials to avoid vaporization and atomization. This bulb is oil-proof, heat-proof, and wear-proof, thanks to its sturdy materials. The waterproof design reduces the risk of rain leakage and short circuits, ensuring your safety. What we like. This product boasts a brightness that is 3 times greater than standard halogen bulbs, ensuring superior visibility. With a lifespan 5 times longer, it offers exceptional durability and value. If you prioritize long-lasting performance and enhanced brightness for safer night driving, it's a great choice. What people say. Both ballasts ignite and go to full warm brightness within 5 minutes. Beautiful bulbs that work amazing. Nice and bright, perfect fit. The last ones I bought lasted 6+ years. Hope these last also. Number 3. SOCAL-LED D2S Xenon HID Headlight Bulbs. These D2S Xenon HID headlight bulbs from SOCAL-LED offer a significant upgrade for your vehicle. They enhance your visibility, making night driving safer and more enjoyable. The 6000K cool white light emitted by these bulbs provides exceptional brightness. It drastically improves your ability to see the road ahead, ensuring a safer driving experience. Designed as a direct replacement for part numbers 85122, 66040, and more, installation is simple. You can easily upgrade your headlights without any modifications. The sharp, crisp light from these bulbs cuts through darkness and harsh weather. This feature significantly improves your visibility, allowing you to see and be seen more clearly. These bulbs are built to last, providing consistent brightness over time. This reduces the need for frequent replacements, saving you both time and money. These bulbs offer high and low beam capabilities for versatile use. Enjoy a reliable driving experience in various conditions, ensuring optimal visibility and safety. What we like. This bulb provides super bright illumination, making it easier to see and be seen on the road. It's designed for direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. If you want to significantly improve your visibility and driving safety without any modifications, you should consider it. What people say. The light power is spectacular and transforms night driving. Direct fit and bright. I chose the 6K as I wanted a brighter white light. It is brighter than the stock HID. No warning codes. Works as OE. Es un producto muy bueno y efficient. Number 2. AUTOONE D2S headlight bulbs, 300% brighter. Tired of dim headlights? These AUTOONE D2S bulbs offer up to 8000 lumens, providing 300% more brightness than standard bulbs. This allows you to see further down the road, increasing safety during nighttime driving. Forget complicated installations. These bulbs are designed to be a perfect fit, matching the size of your factory lamps. You can easily replace your old bulbs in just minutes, with no modifications needed. Built to last, these bulbs feature a premium aluminum body and glass tube. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures they can withstand various weather conditions. You can rely on them for consistent performance. These AUTOONE D2S bulbs are made with high-quality UV quartz glass, which can withstand thermal shock. They are also highly resistant to UV radiation, protecting the lamps from damage. Please note that these bulbs are designed as replacements for stock D2S HID bulbs only. They will not fit if your car uses halogen or LED bulbs. Always check your car's specifications before purchasing, and feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. This bulb offers an impressive 300% increase in brightness, providing a clearer and safer driving experience. The easy installation means you can upgrade your headlights in minutes. If you are looking for a significant brightness upgrade with a simple installation process, it's perfect for you. What people say. The headlights are really cool, white and slightly bluish, they shine very well. I drove for about 2 months and everything still works well. I recommend. First and foremost, the upgraded LED headlights provide much brighter and clearer illumination compared to the stock headlights. They are also more energy efficient, which means they consume less power and help to extend the life of my car's battery. The bulbs were well packed. The kit came with cotton gloves to protect the bulb from finger oil and contamination during installation. The brightness matched the existing bulbs it replaced. They appear to be of good quality. Number 1. Hella D2S 5000K Xenon Bulb, 85V, 35W. This is the Hella D2S 5000K Xenon Bulb. It comes in a single box packaging. This bulb is designed to enhance your driving experience. The bulb has a color temperature of 5000K, which is similar to white LED daytime running lights. It offers maximum illumination and visibility, much like daylight. The white light from this new generation Xenon capsule ensures optimal safety. It allows for more relaxed and comfortable driving, especially at night. It has a low power consumption of only 35 W. The bulb is also vibration resistant and designed for a long lifespan, providing you with lasting performance. This Xenon capsule is 35 W and should only be used with an approved electrical ballast. Please check your local regulations to ensure it meets all requirements. It is DOT certified. What we like. This bulb offers a 5000K color temperature, providing illumination similar to daylight for maximum visibility. It guarantees optimal safety and relaxed driving with its white light. If you like the look of white LED daytime running lights and want to improve your visibility, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit perfect in my 2013 Subaru WRX. Is nearly identical to the brightness and color of the original one from the other side. I think it's only different because the other side is 11 years old. Perfect product. In the pictures you can see a comparison between the old Osram bulbs and the new Hella bulbs in a 2006 Mercedes E350. I have installed very expensive Osram ICBEAMER bulbs in other HID-equipped vehicles and TBH these are close enough that I would not hesitate to purchase again. Great value. Color and brightness are tough to tell in cell phone pictures, but obviously the bluer tinged bulbs are the Hellas. They look less blue in real life. Nice bright white for an OEM plus look. Great performance. The 5000K puts out good light and it is definitely brighter than my 4-year-old OEM Osram bulbs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.